Hi, so today we are treating my client with a Meso Peel by Mesoesthetics. Firstly, I'm using the Age Element cleanser to remove all traces of makeup to start with a fresh, clean face. Next, I'm going to apply the pre-procedure cleansing solution. I'm using a firmer pressure to make sure all excess oil is removed so the peel can penetrate to the skin better. I'm then going to protect the more delicate areas on the face, preventing them from drying out. Now it's time to apply an even layer of the peel. Today I'm using a lactic one. It's the first time my client has had a peel and we'll leave it on for 5 minutes. Once the 5 minutes is complete, then I neutralise all over. This can feel quite intense for a few seconds while the pH level in the skin is normalising. I then apply fast skin repair to help heal and lock everything in. Next step, I'm using the new Care Sensation SPF. This is ultra light and hydrating, so good for all skin types. And lastly, we give everyone a mask to take home as part of their aftercare.